compromise nothing with the 2023 Cobalt R33 Outboard. This yacht combines luxury, quality, and comfort. This boat is equipped with twin Mercury Verado 450 Racing JPO motors. Unique to this boat are its dual entryways, with a walkway from the stern, but also a boarding door in the cockpit. As we make our way into the cockpit, you'll notice the wraparound lounge seating, including an adjustable rear seat with flip-up backrest, and a dual cup holder compartment with an NFC charger, all carefully designed to suit your comfort needs. Also included in the cockpit is a rotating table to give you that outdoor eating space. As you can see, all of the seating on board is completely adjustable to meet anyone's needs. Another unique feature to this boat is its fresco chill upholstery that keeps the seats cool on a sunny day. Throughout the boat, there is endless storage, including a motorbox actuator that hydraulically lifts this back seat to access its storage space. In the floor and under all cockpit seating are storage compartments, including one dedicated for a 36-quart removable cooler. Under two of the cockpit seats are removable net baskets so that you can have easy access to the electric control panel. Convenient to this boat is its electric retractable sunshade. Another custom feature on the Cobalt is the Harman Kardon Premier Marine audio system with speakers flowing throughout the boat to give you surround sound music. As we make our way into the restroom of the boat, you'll see the full-size sink, toilet, and cabinet, as well as a skylight to bring in natural light to the space. The helm of the boat is equipped with dual Garmin navigation systems with a Seakeeper gyroscopic stabilizer to eliminate 95% of roll. And on your right-hand side is the joystick to control your twin 450 racing motors. As we make our way into the air-controlled cabin, you'll notice how surprisingly spacious and versatile it is, with an easy flip-down bed, a smart mirror, and a skylight to really open up the space. Heading out of the cabin, into the cockpit, and towards the bow of the boat, there is even more seating, and this can be adjusted into a complete lounging space. It also has that below seat storage that you need. In that front bow space, you also have easy access to your anchor locker. If you want to experience the Rolls-Royce of boats, come take a test drive down at Prince William Marina today.